Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore natural and effective ways to improve your health and well-being. Today I'm diving into some natural remedies for cough relief that actually work. These methods have been tried and tested over generations, and they offer a gentle yet effective way to soothe that irritating cough. We all know that annoying tickle in the throat that just won't go away, right? It can be especially bothersome when you're trying to focus on work or get a good night's sleep. Well, let's get into some traditional methods that can help soothe that pesky cough. First up, honey, this golden liquid is more than just a sweet treat. This sweet stuff isn't just for your tea or toast. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can help to coat and soothe the throat. Honey has been used for centuries to relieve coughs. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, recognized its healing properties. Just take a spoonful of it straight up, or mix it into warm water or herbal tea. This simple remedy can provide quick relief. It coats the throat and helps reduce irritation, which can stop that cough in its tracks. Plus, it's a natural and delicious way to feel better. Plus, it tastes great, so it's a win-win. You can even add it to your favorite herbal teas for an extra soothing effect. Next, let's talk about ginger. This root is not only a staple in cooking, but also a powerful remedy for coughs. This spicy root works wonders for coughs because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to relax the airway muscles and reduce coughing. You can make a soothing ginger tea by slicing fresh ginger root and boiling it in water. The warmth and spiciness of the ginger can provide immediate relief. Add a bit of honey and lemon for extra benefits. The honey will soothe your throat, and the lemon adds a boost of vitamin C. Not a fan of tea? No worries, there are other ways to use ginger. You can also chew on a small piece of raw ginger. It might be intense, but it's effective. The direct contact with your throat can help reduce the urge to cough. It might be intense, but it's effective. The natural compounds in ginger can help to clear your airways and provide relief. Speaking of tea, thyme tea is another fantastic remedy. This herb is not just for cooking, it has medicinal properties too. Thyme has antimicrobial properties that can help fight the bacteria causing your cough. It's a natural way to boost your immune system. Simply steep a handful of fresh or dried thyme in hot water for about 10 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the tea will be. Strain it, add some honey or lemon, and sip away. This tea can help to soothe your throat and reduce coughing. Now, let's not forget about steam. This simple method can provide immediate relief for a dry, irritating cough. Inhaling steam helps to moisten dry, irritated airways and loosen mucus. It's a great way to clear your sinuses and throat. You can do this by taking a hot shower or using a bowl of hot water with a towel over your head. Breathe in the steam deeply for several minutes. Breathe in deeply and feel the relief. Finally, marshmallow root. No, not the candy. This herb has been used for centuries for its soothing properties. Marshmallow root is an herb that can create a protective coating on the throat. It's especially helpful for dry, irritating coughs. You can make a simple tea by steeping the dried root in hot water. Let it steep for about 10-15 minutes to extract all the beneficial compounds. Sip it slowly and let it work its magic. The soothing effect can help to reduce coughing and provide relief. So there you have it. These natural remedies are easy to prepare and can provide effective relief from that stubborn cough. 5 natural remedies to help you kick that cough to the curb. Remember, these methods are gentle on your body and can be a great first step in managing your symptoms. Remember, if your cough persists or worsens, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance and ensure there's no underlying condition. Stay healthy and thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you find relief and get back to feeling your best. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Catch you next time. Take care and stay well.